G'day everyone, this is Vegan Mark. I'm doing something very special today. I'm broadcasting double, so I've got a smartphone recorder on, and I've also got my laptop running the camera on at the moment. So I'm going to see what I'm going to do with this. Um, Basically, I've got a kitchen challenge going to happen. I'm going to try and chop up and prepare a meal. And see how quickly I can do it. Like, I've only got 10 minutes on the phone, so if I lose track of time, please forgive me. Okay, so let's see what I can do here. I'm going to just turn this around to the... Alright, so there's a bit of my ingredients there. There, you see that? Now, we're going to work out what we're going to do. I've got to get really organised here. Right, let's see if I can chop up some onions, red chili, etc. I'm only using one hand, so this is going to be a bit tough for me. Stuff the one-handed approach. I'm actually doing two hands at the moment on the red onion. Sorry. Okay. It's already 3 minutes is up. I don't think I'm going to make it today. I might have to pause my smartphone and just cook a little bit without having the video on. Alright. That's going in, man. That is nice. Ah, what the heck. Few mushrooms. I actually used my teeth to get some of that red chili off. Now I'm going to put it in. And I definitely do not have time to make the fruit salad today. I'm running out of time already. 5 minutes is almost up. Put some spinach leaves in. There it is, crackling away. I'm going to stir that. I only use a fork at the moment. Couldn't be bothered using anything else. And I make very sure that I don't scratch the pan, because I know that that would be terrible. If you can't see what I'm doing, I'm actually cutting a piece of bread like this. Right. Bread roll. There you go. Now to open my capsicum dip with one hand. Lovely vegan capsicum dip from yesterday, when I did a video yesterday on what's in my vegan kitchenette. So there goes spread on there. Put that out. I definitely can't grate the carrot, so I'm going to have to chop it up instead. Or chop some of it finely. There's my sizzling pan if you're interested. I'm just going to stir it a little bit. Let's turn on the fan now. Sorry you can't hear me very well. Back to the carrot. Now, some of the carrot on. Great. Tomato. I am laying that aside, and it's pretty much there. Stir fried, getting good. Mushrooms and onions and spinach are all browning well. In fact, I'm going to turn that off now. With 8 minutes 40 on the clock already. Don't forget the asparagus. Canned asparagus, my favourite. On the burger it goes. All the bits and pieces. Okay, almost 10 minutes is up. I don't know how much longer my smartphone has time on time left. So I'm going to do away with what's on the pan and do the burger up. There it is. And that, my friends, is a finished vegan burger. It's not too bad. It's pretty nice. Yum, yum. That capsicum dip tastes really seafoody. Really seafoody. I don't know why watching it. Kind of tastes like seafood. I should say sea life that's made into food, which is violence. Mmm. 13 minutes and we're still going. This is great. Oh. My plate is almost empty now. Oh yeah. Oh boy. I've got a really dirty hand.